Hi guys, as you probably have heard, Toyota doesn't recommend to install any electronic objects like dashcams, for example, close to the components of the Toyota safety system. And beneath this cover we actually have the front-facing camera part of the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Below right now we have the dashcam installed in this vehicle, which actually shares the same connector to get the power. Connector that provides the power to the front camera and now also provides the power to the dashcam. Now we want to test if our front radar and the safety camera will work properly. We turned on all our safety systems. As you can see, lane tracing assist is on, pre-collision system is on, blind spot monitoring is on, and for the LTA we have all settings on currently. Right now we'll go for a short drive and we'll try to show you guys if it's all working. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my safety system. I will set my speed. I'll set it to let's say 80 kilometers per hour, and as you can see, my lane tracing assist is working as well. Right now it's on, and as you can see on the screen, the vehicle can see both lines in my lane, and I should already feel that it's starting to steer to help me to keep my vehicle inside my lane. So I will release my steering wheel right now. Look what happens. The vehicle turns itself right now. We have a curve and the system works perfectly. I actually did a full review of the system before. I will leave the link for that in the description as well. But right now what we are trying to see, if all our safety features are working, taking into effect that we have a dashcam installed very close to the safety camera. So as I said, the lane tracing assist is working as it should. Right now we'll try to test the front radar. Okay, so I'm going to activate the cruise control again. I'll set the speed to, let's say, 55 kilometers per hour. We'll wait until we catch up with these guys in front and we'll see if our vehicle will stop by itself. Well, it definitely is slowing down, as you can see, because currently the speed is 40, almost 40, and our set speed is 55. So the radar actually sees that car in front of RAV4 and adjusts our speed. Alright, we have the red light and I'm not pressing the brake pedal. Let's see what happens. We come to a full stop, which means that our safety system is working perfectly right now. In conclusion, I want to say that even though we have this dashcam installed in close proximity to our safety camera, as you could see from our test, all functions of the safety system were working perfectly. Again, we can't cover all possible scenarios, but from what we showed you, we didn't experience any issues at all. If you guys have a different experience, you can let us know in the comments below, but as I said, we are definitely keeping the dashcam in the vehicle, and if we have any more information for you guys, we'll let you know. Thank you for watching, we'll see you in the next video.